All right, hey, I'm Sam Ebbiheimer, VP of Engineering with AyrKing. Just talk about the Mixstir. So developed it for the batter needs in mind. So it doesn't whip a lot of air into it. It kind of replaces that high RPM blender. It really is a consistent mix from employee to employee. And it really just does such a great job of incorporating all of the dry mix into the liquid. It does batter, seasoned oils for like a Nashville hot chicken, various items like that. And we've got a patent pending on it and won the 2020 KI award.